Hi everybody, Nick Barta, Security First Financial. I get asked a lot with down payment assistance loans, do I have to pay it back? How do I pay it back? What is the down payment assistance? So I'm going to take just a couple minutes and cover that stuff real quick. With down payment assistance, whether it's CHAFA or it's Metro DPA or El Paso Turnkey or CHAC or Aurora Hope, there's a lot of different kinds of down payment assistance. Some of them you have to pay back, some of them you don't. So to kind of figure the difference, if they say it's a grant, so specifically if it says it is a grant, usually what that means is it's a grant that you don't have to pay back. There may be a limit on those sometimes where you have to pay them back at a certain time period, but for the most part, if the down payment assistance says this is a grant, it's something that after closing you don't have to return. There's no money to pay back. We see that in some of the different down payment assistance programs. We see more second mortgages than we do grants right now. And second mortgages come in a few different options. So there's what's called a silent second. A silent second usually doesn't accrue any interest and you don't make any payments on it. They call it silent because it kind of just sits there on your property behind your first mortgage, and because you're not making any payments on it, nobody kind of notices. You do have to pay that back usually when you sell your property, or if you go to refinance down the road, there may be a repayment. Most of the time with a silent second, you are paying that down payment assistance back. There's also a regular second. So some of the programs come out with an amortizing second, which works just like the first mortgage. You actually make payments on it. They do charge interest. There's different agencies that will, they'll give you a $20,000 or a $10,000 down payment assistance second mortgage, and they'll charge 1% or 3%, and you'll pay that over 15 years. So it's just like any kind of second mortgage, but it does go back to the down payment assistance program group. There's also forgivable seconds. A forgivable second is a second mortgage that you might not make any payments on it. It sits on your property, and for every month that you're in your property, you lose a little of the second. So what we see most of the time is usually over 36 months. Sometimes it's over 120 months. But for instance, if it's forgivable over 36 months, every month that you're in your property after you close, it forgives 1/36 of the second mortgage till you get to the 36th month and you don't owe that second mortgage at all anymore. So to find out more about down payment assistance, or if you have any questions on which program's best for you, give me a call. Nick Barta, Security First Financial, 303-740-8300, or visit us online at sffmortgage.com. Thanks.